Warren Buffett, Robert Kiyosaki, the rich dad, and all financial advisors you have met and will ever meet in your life all say, you need to have passive income, or you need to make money work for you. You probably also heard, make money for me while you sleep. These all sound enticing, but how do you actually make money work for you, instead of what a lot of us are doing, which is working for money? Today we have another video that can help you reach your financial goals and add a few bucks to your side hustle income. You will not be rich overnight, but it's how you put in the work day in and day out that makes a difference in your life and in your bank account at the end of the month. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we've got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Passive income is income that you automatically make with minimal labor and maintenance. A good example of passive income is an apartment complex. But what if you don't have the capacity and thousands of dollars to start owning, building, and maintaining an apartment complex yet? This is where we can help you with today's video. As with a lot of other videos, we guarantee you that you already know what step 1 is. That is right, step 1 is opening a web browser. Now that you have your web browser up and ready, search for the website called SlideJoy. You will find an option to install the app from the website. The way you earn money is by advertisements through your lock screen. Easy way to earn money, correct? The app will pay $5 to $10 per month just by using your phone, which is what all of us already do for at least 1 hour a day. SlideJoy will display apps on your phone, and for you, that means instant money. Maybe you have a random photo of a place on your lock screen. Why don't you switch that to SlideJoy and start earning a few extra bucks? The first app offers to make you earn money so easily by just using your phone. Do you know you can find out your screen time on your phone and get a weekly report with insights about your screen time? Turn that feature on and comment what your screen time is down below. We love hearing from you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit like and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be updated on our uploads while you are here. Now, back to the video. With SlideJoy, the amount you will get paid will have some dependencies, such as how many times you unlock your phone or view the ads on your lock screen. This app is very popular because of how easy it is to earn money. Remember that this app is only for Android users. Now let us move on with the next app, Lifecoin. This app is great for those who like to exercise and be active. The app pays you to walk. That is right, walk. We all walk, don't we? Then we can all make money while walking to our morning coffee shop. The app will pay through PayPal, Amazon gift card, and even Apple AirPods. If you like listening to music without all the wires. You just need to reach a certain number of points for a few months before you can start earning and eventually spend your points. You can possibly earn $1 to $2 a day. Does it sound like a lot if you look at it daily, but you have to think long term. Imagine if those $1 to $2 a day accumulates into months of earnings. It is all in your mindset. Earn money just by being healthy. Get moving and get your bank account bigger too. That is a win for everyone if you ask me. Comment down below how often you exercise and what kind of exercises you do. You never know, maybe you will find your next workout partner in the comment section. If the exercise you do involves walking, then Lifecoin is the app for you. Making money will be literally a walk in the park. Do not forget to like and subscribe to get more hacks to earn money easily. Comment if you think this video will help you earn a few extra bucks. We love to hear from you. Now, back to the video. Moving straight to the third app that we have for you. This one is called Smart Panel. If you think the first two apps still eat your time and need you to put in the work, like walking, this app will not require you to do anything. Zero effort is needed from your end. The site just collects data, but not in a creepy and dangerous way. You will be protected as everything will be kept anonymous. There are just companies that collect data from Smart Panel, like the apps you use and the amount of time you use the apps. This is information that tech and app companies use for their research and how they operate. This app pays $5 per month, and if you think about it, that is $60 in a year, and you did not do anything. Doesn't that sound amazing? You can use this app if you are an Apple or Android user. You can use this app and start earning money while doing nothing. Literally nothing. Walking, using the lock screen on your phone, and now, literally not doing anything. These are ways you can earn money, and we are not even done with this video yet. We still have one more app to show you. What is your favorite app so far? Comment which one you will be using, or if you will be using all of them. I would if I were you. I like walking and running in the morning, so I will definitely install the apps. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more ways for you to earn money. Comment if you will be installing the apps we have on today's video. We always like hearing from you. And if you haven't already, then what are you waiting for? Hit like and subscribe for more ways to earn money online. Now, back to the video. If you have reached this far into the video, then we have the last but definitely not the least app for you. This one is called Sweatcoin, because you earn money while you sweat. Sweatcoin. Every step you take, you will earn points. If you like walking everywhere you go, and taking the bus is not part of your vocabulary, then this app is perfect for you. Is everything within a walking distance for you? Then go ahead and install the app. You are guaranteed to earn money because of your love for walking. You can earn as much as $25 per month. This is also points-based, just like Lifecoin. If you have been walking for such a long time, you can even get an iPhone. There are more things you can earn if you like keeping and accumulating your points. There is an option to get affiliate points if you get someone to install the app under your name as well. You will have a Sweatcoin link once you have signed up. You can earn 5 points for every person that installs the app using your link. Get creative and find other ways to promote the app with your link, as there was someone who earns $4,000 just by promoting the link. So which app will you be installing? Everything seems easy. Today's video offers you the opportunity to earn money if you are active and enjoy working out. But if you don't like doing anything and walking is not something you see as a fun activity, we also presented an app for you. There are ways for you to earn money no matter what type of personality you have. And that brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. If you love content such as this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, because I've got more videos in store for you. Hit the like button and comment what you want to hear from our channel next. Good luck, and see you in our next video.